Well, shares of Academy Sports is rising for the second straight day after that company's earnings came out and beat estimates. It saw record quarterly sales as well in the first quarter, sales up 39%. And I want to bring in the CEO of Academy Sports and Outdoors right now. That is Ken Hicks. Ken, it's good to see you. Talk to us about what you're seeing sell right now. Whether this is reflection of reopening trade, what other trends are driving some of the sales that you're seeing, and what things are particularly popular?
Well, we were open throughout the pandemic, and Texas and our markets have been open. So we've seen people come in and pick up new hobbies and interests like fishing, camping, hiking. And so that has continued. That's one of the things that's been very good, is that people picked up a new hobby and they're doing more of it. We also are seeing people going back to some of the things like team sports. Baseball was very good this year. So was biking. And we're seeing things, people get back into outdoor cooking as they begin to get together and gather. So it's people picking up new interest and people going back doing old things. And some of the things that are selling well are tents. We're going through tents like crazy because people are going out camping this year as a way to stay safe, but also have some fun outdoors.
Ken, Brian here. You mentioned on the earnings call this week, you are about $100 million short in terms of inventory relative to where you would like to be. Where are you seeing some of those shortages and what's causing it? Well,
part of it is the supply chain. It's extremely stressed. Deliveries are slow, and production is not, in some areas, is not all the way back to where it was. So some of the outdoor areas, we've got some inventory issues. Bicycles is a place where we don't have as much stock as we like. And some of the fishing, some of the team sports areas. But overall, our inventory is what I call acceptable. It's just not where we would like it to be for being in stock so we can serve every customer and we've got the presentation we'd like.
And, Ken, thinking about those inventory, type challenges that you guys have had, how much have you learned about the business maybe in terms of levels that might be better going forward? Or are you all hoping to, maybe get through this, unprecedented couple of year period and have the stores, the assortment and the mix kind of look like it did pre-pandemic?
One of the things that we learned is we can operate with less inventory. And we're working on a major supply chain initiative to improve it because we can turn inventory a lot faster. We turned our inventory prior to the pandemic a little bit under 3. Last year, we turned it 4 times. So 4 times probably a little too fast, but we know we can turn the inventory quicker and be more responsive to the customer by faster supply chain, but also better allocation, getting the right inventory in the right store in the right quantity.
Ken, wages are going up pretty sizably in retail and restaurants. You have Walmart, I think, is a $15 hour minimum wage now. Amazon, you work in one of their DCs and pulling over $20 an hour. What type of pressure is that putting on your business?
We're seeing more challenges in getting people. Fortunately, in our stores, we're able to stay staffed, but we have taken our wages up. We continue to offer a competitive wage, but I also think that we offer a different environment, and selling fun, which is what we do sell, is enjoyable, but also we're working with our team members so that they have more flexibility in their scheduling.
So, Ken, you talked about inventory giving you guys more flexibility on margins and these rising wages. Have you guys raised your prices? And if so, by how much?
We have unfortunately had to raise some of the prices due to cost, but overall, we've tried to hold key price points and also hold our price to a very, very strong value level. We're known as a value retailer, and we're still below most of the market. But in some areas, bicycles is one because of duties and materials where prices have gone up. But we make sure we still have a $49.99 kids bike and a $99 adult bike.
Ken, quickly before we let you go, KKR still has a 31% stake in your business.
Yeah.
Is there any insight into how long they plan to hold that?
That's their decision. Hopefully they're happy with what's happened with the stock. So the longer they hold it, the more money they make.
Fair answer. Ken Hicks, great to see you as always. Chairman, President, and CEO of Academy Sports and Outdoors. We'll catch up with you again soon.